Hello. I'm back again on your screens with ACCRA WE DEY here on MX24 Television. I am Chichi MFA. I'm so excited today because today I'm going to be doing something quite different. We are at a car wash, a washing bay. I am going to be washing a car today. I don't know how this experience is going to be like, but yes, as usual on ACCRA WE DEY, we bring you the hustler story. We tell you the compelling story, the story behind the hustlers you see on the streets. And today is no different. Come with me and let's get to it. Hello! Hello boss, what's up? Is this my washing tools or washing attire? Thank you very much. Please, what's your name? Patrick. Oh my god. Okay. And then I'm supposed to change to this. I'm sorry, you can't watch me do that. Guys, I am ready. I'm loving that already. It's been a little comfortable, but let me see how this goes. How do they call people that wash car? Is it car washers, car wash, car boy, wash boy? I don't know, but I'll be finding out. Let's go. Boss, Mr. Patrick.
Madam.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
So, guys, this is our assignment for today. We'll be washing a car, but most importantly, get to hear Patrick's story in the process. So, Patrick, first of all, what does it take to wash a car? What do I need?
Okay, first of all, you need a sponge.
I need sponge.
And a soap.
And soap.
Yeah. So, before washing a car, you need 1 lid of this.
Okay. So you're adding?
This one.
Okay, liquid soap?
Yeah, liquid soap.
Okay.
So after that, then you give it to the one using the machine, blow it.
Okay.
So you can get the food.
Okay, so can we get the machine?
You blow the soap.
Okay. So you're literally pouring water into the liquid soap?
Yes, please. You get the food.
Okay.
Yeah, so after that, you blow the car.
Okay, so this is the part, I don't know how they do it. You're just pouring water in the car?
No, you're not just pouring water, you are blowing it.
You are blowing it. This is called blowing.
Yes, please.
Can I try something?
Yeah, you can try.
Okay. So, oh God, so literally. Oh, it is not difficult. Yeah. How did you start washing cars?
Okay, I started last year.
Last year?
Yes, please.
What made you start this business?
Okay, I completed 2020.
Okay.
I applied for Army. I was disqualified, so I have to come here and work to get my people back to school.
Why were you disqualified though?
Yeah, I said because of height and
I'm so sorry. Oh Charlie, this fine gentleman. I think I'm doing a good job already, guys.
Yeah.
So we are good with this, right?
Yes, please.
Pacha, thank you very much. You can turn it off now. Okay, please, what's the next step?
So the next step is to use the sponge.
The next step is to use the sponge.
Yes, please.
Guys, rate my washing skills at this point. But tell me, you said you started this particular business a year ago.
Yes,
because you wanted to go to the army and it did not sort.
Yes,
before that decision to start this business, what were you going through? Like, what happened?
When I was disqualified, I sat home for some months. And I didn't get work. Like, I went to some construction.
You did construction?
Yeah.
Okay.
So when we were done with the work, like I sat home for some months without getting work. So I have to come here and search for a job.
But why did you have to search for a job? How your parents are not able to support you?
Yes, please.
What's the situation at home?
My parents are alive though, but they are no more like that.
They are separated.
Yeah, they are
okay.
separated, yeah. So my father is living at a different place with my siblings.
Okay.
Yeah, and my mother too is with a different man. So like the support is not.
The support is not.
Yeah.
Is it the case
Because
that okay?
My mom is having children with the other man, and my dad too is having children. So the support for I and my siblings is not other.
How many siblings do you have?
Biologically, I have one, but in all,
yeah.
I have like 6.
You have like 6?
Yes, please.
But what is the situation like on a regular day for you before you started working here? What was the situation like? Going to school, were they able to pay your fees? but you feed in. Tell me about your background.
Okay. So when I was going to school, like, it wasn't that good. Yeah, because sometimes I have to go to school, bare stomach without eating.
Without eating?
Yes, but sometimes too, like, the money I send to school is it's not enough to pay my feeding fee and all that. So sometimes I eat with friends, like.
You go and purge?
I go and purge.
When you say the money they give you is not enough, how much are we talking about?
Like 5 cedis.
5 cedis a day?
Yes, please.
Does that include your transportation?
Yes, please.
So how do you go to school?
So at that time, the transportation to my school was 1 cedi 50%.
Okay.
So when I paid the 1 cedi 50%, I managed myself with 3 cedis 50% for the whole day.
But you're supposed to come back?
Yeah. Sometimes we walk home, sometimes we have bars in the school, so sometimes we run and we hide in the bars.
Wow. Where was your school and where was your house?
I attended school. I attended JHS at ACCRA. Yeah, so my school was at a place called Kojonia. Yeah, and I was living at Bonn.
How far is it though?
It's very far. Like
it's very far.
Yeah, like,
and I'm thinking, can you walk in from your school to the house? How tedious was it?
It was very difficult.
How did that make you feel as a student and as a human generally? How did the struggle and the challenges make you feel?
It made me feel bad, but I wasn't discouraged because I think it's part of life. I learned some lessons from it.
So at this point, we just want to quickly wash the car off before it starts drying off. We are done.
Yes,
Hallelujah! We are done with the washing, the scrubbing, and the soap and all of those things. We've rinsed it literally. But what's next? Where do we go from here?
you have to dry the body.
We have to dry
The body, yeah.
the body. Okay. Squeezing the
Squeeze
water.
it very well. Yeah.
How much do you make from selling cars? Washing cars, sorry.
From washing cars.
Yes, how much do you make from
On a daily basis.
Yes, on a daily basis.
Sometimes you earn like 50 cedis.
50 cedis a day.
Sometimes 50, but it's not stable. Sometimes 50, 30.
But are you comfortable in this space? Are you comfortable with the work you're doing?
I'm not comfortable, but like I see it as a stepping stone to something. Yes, please.
What's that something? What do you want to do?
Oh, I want to further my education because I wasn't able to make it to the army. And so I want to further my education. I want to get that money here and go to the tertiary.
Why did you stop going to school though?
I can't afford.
You can't afford
Yes,
it.
yes.
What school? Which school do you want to attend?
Legon.
You want to go to University of Ghana?
Yes, please.
What do you want to study?
I want to study economics, maths.
Economics?
Yes, please.
Then you must be a shark.
I actually applied last year. Yeah, I applied last year and I got admission. But
You got admission?
yes, please. I got admission and someone helped me to pay the fees, half of the fees. But like the accommodation is the problem now.
Oh, so you're able to afford for the fees?
Yes, he helped me with
Someone
half.
helped you.
With
Who
half.
was that?
A pastor.
A pastor
Yes, please.
helped you,
Yes, please.
but it's left with accommodation.
Yes, please.
So you had to defer because of that. So you did not go to school.
No, not that. Like this year, I applied last year, so I have to go this year.
But they've already started, right?
Yeah.
Haven't they?
Yeah, they've started, but like I have to work this week and gather some money for my
So
feeding.
when are you going to go?
I'm still searching for accommodation. I don't even have money, so
But have you paid the school fees?
yes, I've paid it.
You've paid the fees?
Yes, I paid.
Oh wow, that's good, isn't it? At least you've been able to afford the school fees.
Yes, please.
But can't you go from home to school?
I have no relative around. Like,
So when you get someone who can help you with that, you'll be satisfied.
yes, please.
What was your grade?
15.
You got 15.
Yes, please.
That's quite impressive, very impressive. How much is the accommodation fee?
Accommodation.
Yes.
For now, I went to ask for the school hostel, but it's full, and the ones available is 4,000.
You don't have anybody you can stay with in the meantime? and go to school? Because academic activities is about to resume.
Well, I talked to my boss, that was last week. He has not given me an answer yet for that to allow me sleep here and go home, or that not to allow me. So now I'm looking for people when I can sleep in their kiosks.
I'm tired. This is so stressful. I'm so tired and I'm taking a quick break. Please allow me to enjoy this coconut because I'm really stressed out. This is not easy, man. What do you want to be at the end of the day? What's your ultimate goal?
Okay, my ultimate goal is to work at the bank.
You want to be a banker?
Yes, please.
Guys, you've heard Patrick. This is his story. He washes car here at Okponglo. He started this business a year ago because he could not afford his fees. So he started to raise money to go back to school. He has gotten admission to the University of Ghana, but unfortunately, he can't afford for accommodation fees. He's paid his school fees through the help of his pastor, but now he's looking for his accommodation fees. He has about 2,000 Ghana cedis, but that's not enough for his accommodation fees. So he needs about 4,000, 5,000 to go back to school. So I'm humbly appealing to you in any little way you can, reach out to Patrick for help. How can people contact you? How can people, if they want to reach out to you and help you, how give them the number they can call?
Okay, so my number is 059 1219 474.
Please mention it again.
059 1219 474.
That's it for ACCRA WE DEY. I hope this story inspires you. When you see them on the streets, like I always say, they're on the street for a reason. They have a story. Help them in a little way. You can. Be kind to them. I am Chichi MF. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Bye for now.